Dear students, in the last class we solved exercise 5b in that fourth main simplify the following. Today we will solve word problems. In that first example, there are 14,603 hens in a poultry farm. Due to some disease, 12,625 hens died. How many hens are left? Here we have to find out how many hens are left. Let's see the solution. Total hens is equal to 14,603. Hens died is equal to 12,625. So we have to find out your remaining hens. How we can find out remaining hens? We have to subtract 12,625 from 14,603. So first I will write 14,603. Next 12,625. 14,603 minus 12,625. Now we will start subtraction from ones place. 3 minus 5 is possible to subtract. No, it is not possible. So we have to borrow from next number. Here next number is 0. So we can't borrow. So we go for a next number. Next number is 6. If we borrow from 6, then 6 becomes 5 and here 0 becomes 10. Now we can borrow from 10. 10 becomes 9 and here 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 5 is how much? 13 minus 5 is 8. 9 minus 2 is how much? 9 minus 2 is 7. 5 minus 6 is possible to subtract? No, it is not possible. So we have to borrow from 4. If you borrow from 4, then 4 becomes 3 and here 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 6 is how much? 15 minus 6 is 9. 3 minus 2 is how much? 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Therefore, remaining hens is equal to 1,978. Thus, 1,978 hens were left. Let's solve the exercise 5C. 3,43,008 cakes were purchased for distribution on Children's Day. If 3,23,886 cakes were distributed, how many cakes were left? Here we have to find out how many cakes were left. 3,43,008 cakes were purchased for distribution on Children's Day. If 3,23,886 cakes were distributed, how many cakes were left? Let's see the solution. Number of cakes is equal to 3,43,008. Distributed cakes is equal to 3,23,886. So we have to find out remaining cakes. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 3,23,886 from 3,43,008. So first I will take 3,43,008 minus 3,23,886. 8 minus 6 is how much? 8 minus 6 is 2. 0 minus 8 is possible to subtract? No, it is not possible. So we have to borrow from next number. Here next number is 0. So we can't borrow. So we go for a next number. Here next number is 3. If you borrow from 3, then 3 becomes 2 and here 0 becomes 10. Now we can borrow from 10. 10 becomes 9 and here 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is how much? 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1. 2 minus 3 is possible to subtract? No, it is not possible. So we have to borrow from 4. If we borrow from 4, then 4 becomes 3 and here 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 3 is how much? 12 minus 3 is 9. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. So the answer is 19,122. Therefore, remaining cakes is equal to 19,122. Thus, 19,122 cakes were left. Today's homework: solve exercise 5C. In that second one, Meghna choose a dress costing rupees 12,650. She was short of the required money by rupees 1,285. How much money she had with her? Third question. Ashish deposited rupees 8,62,001 in the bank and then withdraw rupees 3,55,008. How much of his money was left in the bank?